Electricity prices spiked dramatically last year, hurting households and businesses alike. New statistics from the single electricity market operator show prices increased by 66% last year on 2021. However, the wholesale price of electricity has been on the slide since last August. The statistics show prices are down 41% in the last 3 months of last year when compared with the third quarter. In the Dáil, the Social Democrats said the drop in wholesale prices wasn't being felt by householders.
These relentless price increases cannot continue. The toll they are taking on both families and businesses is disastrous. Nearly 270,000 customers were in arrears on their bills at the end of last year.
In reply, the Taoiseach said a windfall tax on energy companies who profited from the price hike was weeks away.
Plans are very well advanced and we will have hundreds of millions of euros coming in from the windfall tax on energy companies, and that is money that we didn't factor into the budget for this year. So it is additional funds that we can use to help defray the cost of living.
With the government to decide next week on additional financial measures to help with the cost of living crisis, opposition parties piled on the pressure.
What we need is a mini budget. We need adjustments made to tax measures, to social welfare measures and to other supports that householders and businesses across the country rely on during this very, very difficult period.
The Sinn Féin leader highlighted the housing crisis in her intervention.
Firstly, legislate urgently to ban rent increases for 3 years. Secondly, deliver a meaningful cut in rent by putting a month's rent back into tenants' pockets through a refundable tax credit. And thirdly, extend the ban on evictions until the end of the year.
However, the Cabinet was praised today by hauliers who will benefit from a new €18 million scheme to help deal with cost pressures.
It's a lifeline for them, yes, it is. Typical truck here behind us is using €300 per week more on fuel now than we used a year ago.
Householders will want to know when the lower wholesale prices are reflected in their bills. Electric Ireland said today that there's a lag due to buying energy in advance, which can be between 18 and 24 months. If that's accurate, it's political dynamite. Paul Cunningham, RT News, Leinster House.